रकुल जी, मैम यहाँ पे
Where's Animesh?
What do you mean by fashion? जो मतलब लोग इसको समझते हैं कैसा आप what
I think comfort is fashion for me. मुझे लगता है कि आप जिस भी चीज़ में comfortable हैं, जिस भी चीज़ में अपने आप को भूलते नहीं हैं और आपकी spirit alive रहती है, वो fashionable बन जाता है. And I've always followed that. I think you can set a trend with anything that you feel yourself in.
today was also a first for you, Rakul. Congratulations. First
First
ramp
for me.
walk after marriage. After marriage. So
Listen,
how was
I
that?
have done enough shoots after marriage, so
She's not gone on a honeymoon yet.
yeah. So I think no. First time I had omelette pav. First time I had rajma chawal after wedding. मतलब it's like that.
बट मैम द काइंड ऑफ ग्लो, ये मैरिज वाला ग्लो लग रहा है रैंप वॉक पे, काफी अच्छा लग रहा था ग्लो.
जो पहले नहीं लगा कभी.
नहीं ये मैरिज
हाँ?
मैरिज
10 साल से नहीं लगा, अभी लगा मैरिज के बाद. ठीक है. Thank you. I'm just pulling your leg.
Traditional or modern? What,
Any other media questions?
I think it's dressing for the occasion, right? A blend of both. You can't really always say, oh, I'm going to wear Western wear. You always have to dress for the occasion, and it's sometimes your mood of the day.
रैंप पर चलना
Sorry?
today's collection how inspired
I think it's a very deep thought, and I'd like to congratulate Ritika on that. When she told me about the collection, that it's called Transcendence, it's about. So just imagine the thought, right? We all have multiple layers. We all have the good and the bad side, the nice
and the
and
yang.
the yin and the yang, the sugar and the spice, and it's so lovely to see that come through in a collection, right? With layers, making it more meaningful, more meaningful, and for people to understand. So I mean, I love it.
Thank you.
रकुल जैसे कि रैंप पर चलना मॉडल्स के लिए सबसे मेन होता है कॉन्फिडेंट रहना, वो आपके फेस पे हमेशा दिखता है जब आप रैंप पर चलते हो. आज कई प्रॉब्लम्स भी हुआ रैंप पर, लेकिन फिर भी आपका जो कॉन्फिडेंस था, आपका जो वॉकिंग था, वो टूटा नहीं, एंड तक आपका वही रहा. तो उस पर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
तो लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे, आप कॉन्फिडेंस कभी लाइफ में तोड़ते नहीं हो और वैसे ही चलते रहते हो.
Thank you so much. One question for Ritika.
used here
It's only a mesh and it's all hand embroidery on top of that.
Thank
how
you.
much time it takes to
It actually a very long time. I've lost count. Sorry, over a month.
Hours and hours. Thank you.
So actually, the first thing that happened with Transcendence is that when we were experimenting with our embroidery, we started experimenting in layers, and we started finally realizing that we reached a point of where we liked everything after we had layered as much as we could. And I kind of related with it in a way where you can relate it with, it's very relatable for our own minds, our own thoughts, our own, life journey where, as she said also, we all have so many different layers, and we should just kind of like be okay with that and appreciate that and be happy with all of that, and note that, at every point and at every stage in life, another layer that's added is actually always a value added space.
Transition of colors and shades.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Ma'am,
Thank
let's
you.
do your solo visual here.
अभी तो क्या
Abhi.
अच्छा इधर करना
She
है.
has to do this one.
That was me.
That's what happened.
ओ दादा इधर विजुअल हो रहा है. एक पहले विजुअल हम लोग 10 सेकंड हटो ना भाई. मैम लुक सेंटर. थैंक यू मैम.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ritika Mirchandani's collection was a harmonious contrast at Lakme Fashion Week X FTCI. We have with us the designer herself and her muse, the stunning Rakul Preet. Ritika, if you could tell us a little bit about Transcendence.
So transcendence is, the meaning of transcendence actually is going beyond your boundaries, going beyond your beliefs, going beyond your preconceived notions, and knowing that every human being has a lot of layers and textures, and that's absolutely fine. So this collection had a lot of layering, a lot of textures. We've used a mesh base and we've gone on texturing till we were happy with the final result of what it is. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole concept of the collection.
And if you could also talk about this this show-stopping look by Rakul.
Yeah, so this is basically a lot of flowers that were deconstructed. It's all done by hand, and there's a lot of jali work. There's mother of pearl in here, which we dyed and we used it on this. And yeah, floral cutouts, which the same kind of a floral cutout blouse.
Rakul, if you could also talk about how did it feel for you to walk down the runway in this outfit and working for Ritika?
So well, to start with, I've always loved Ritika's designs and I've worn them many a time. So I'm so glad that we could collaborate at the Lakme Fashion Week. And I love this piece. I think it's so beautiful, it's elegant, it's got, like she says, it's yin and yang, you know. So like the collection speaks of transcendence, right? Evolving and owning your different layers. I think each human being has layers and so does this outfit, and I think it's all about celebrating every layer, whether it's outfit or you. So I loved it. I love the thought and I love the outfit.
How does it feel to be back at Lakme Fashion Week FDCI?
It's always amazing to be at Lakme. I love the energy of the ramp. I love wearing an outfit and walking the runway, and it's the creation of the designer. So it's always a delight to do that. And yeah, it's amazing, like always.
This has been a great showcase. Congratulations, Ritika, and we're so happy that you're back. And
Thank you so
to
much.
see many more showcases and for you to walk again at Lakme Fashion Week FDCI.